Introducing the Steam Frame is a lightweight, wireless VR headset from Valve designed to bring your entire Steam library into a more flexible and comfortable experience. Built for both VR and non-VR gaming, it lets you stream games directly from your PC or run them natively thanks to its built-in system powered by SteamOS. Setup is simple with camera-based tracking, so there's no need for external sensors. Just put it on and start playing. The included controllers offer motion controls, full-finger capacitive tracking, a split gamepad layout, and durable magnetic thumbsticks for precision and longevity, while also pairing smoothly with the Steam controller for non-VR gameplay. A dedicated wireless adapter ensures stable, low-latency streaming over Wi-Fi 6, and advanced eye-focused rendering delivers high-resolution visuals exactly where you're looking. With expandable storage via MicroSD, it's built for both performance and convenience in one seamless system.